I've been trying to make friends with this baby rabbit. We'll see how close we can get. Hi, buddy. How you doing? How you doing, huh? You don't have to hop off. You're fine. I'll just sit right here. So I could try to off him. It was coming my way, curious about me. Look at that. Look at that. Hi, where are you going? You going in there where you're safer? Okay. So like I was saying, we could trap him, relocate him, kill him. Yeah, that's what we eat. When I love living with these animals. We chase groundhogs out. They're chowing so much of our food. If we were surviving on it, yeah. But honestly, we eat a lot of food out of this garden. Tremendous amount of food out of this garden. We live with that baby rabbit too. Baby rabbits. I'm sure it's not just the one. I'll maybe attach a video from yesterday. I was sitting right down with them again. What a treat. What a joy. Finding our place in nature. Peace.